Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all the subscribers. This video is all about how you can reduce the margin amount that is required for option selling or futures or anything that you are going to take. So in the recent times, due to SEBI rules, the margin has been increased for all the trades. Usually brokers used to give a lot of leverage, but now it has been reduced, and even more it will be reduced in the month of September. So let's see how we can manage by using the edging. So this is how you can just reduce the margin that is required for your option selling. If you want to know the option selling strategy that has been already posted in the channel, you can just check it out. Let's see how we can reduce the margin. So let's see, now the bank nifty, like market is closed now, and bank nifty is around 34,574, and the ATM price would be 34,600. So consider I am doing a short straddle. Okay, short straddle, and I am going to sell 34,600 CE and 34,600 PE. So if you see, the margin required is 1,34,000. So if you don't have this margin and if you need to reduce this further, what you can do is you can just buy far away OTM, that is call and also put. Okay, consider you have 34,600 plus 2,000 points would be 36,600 P. Okay, sorry, C. You can just buy. Make sure to buy only in market order, because Zerodha doesn't allow you to buy for OTM with the normal order. So you need to make it as market order and place it. And one more order should be far away OTM PE. So 34,600 minus 2,000 would be 32,600 PE. Okay, I'm just selling it, sorry, buying it. If you see, the margin came down to 59,000. If you see, margin came down to 59,000. So it is all way from like 1,000, sorry, 1,30,000 something was there right earlier. Now it has come down to 59,000. So this is how you can just trade with the minimum margin. So make sure it has the risk, like what is the risk is the buy quantity what you had, right? So this 158 and 106, this could be loss for you, because at the end of the day, due to the decay, you will not be having this amount in your hand. It will be reduced. If it is a Thursday, it is going to be zero, or else if it is another trading days, it could be off of the amount. So make sure you are ready to lose this amount. So who is going to use this kind of strategy to earn more is, if you have, consider you have two strategies. So consider you have an option selling short strategy, and if you have other strategy, intraday strategy, that you are going to do for stocks or whatever it is. Okay, so for that, if you don't have fund, what you can do is you can just make sure you can just reduce the margin by using this hedging position, and you can use that balance amount to trade in the other strategies. That is one. And second thing is, if you need to do two lot of short straddle. Okay, see, consider if I am doing a two lot of this strategy, it would be requiring more than see 1.3 plus 1.3, it could be around 2.6 lakhs. Okay, now if I need to do it for 2 lakh, you can just increase this position to 2 lakh. See, it requires only 1.9, you can consider that 2 lakh. So from 2.6, it just come down to 2 lakh. Even if you need to reduce this, you can just increase the quantity of these buy orders too. If you don't want to lose more than this amount, you can just stick to this, so that you will have this margin to be used. If you still want to reduce, you can just make increase this lot size. So this is how you can reduce the margin. This is the for OTM. If you just buy the ITM, further this margin will be coming down. So but the problem is, due to decay, the price, the premium price what you have purchased will be started reducing at the end of the day, and you will be having some losses in that. So make sure you need to buy only for OTM, and that too in the MIS order. Okay, that is one point. And second thing is, the order of placement is more important in this type, because if you want to place the order, first you need to place these two buy orders and then go with the sell orders. So this is the basket order, basket option that we have. If you see, wait, let me show you this. If you go to the orders and you have something called basket, you need to just create new basket, and I have just opened you the one which is already. So the usage of this is when you just execute, all these four will be executed at the same time, so there won't be a problem. But in case if you are executing it manually, make sure you execute these two buy orders at the first, and then you need to execute the sell orders. So probably the orders would be like this: first two, just move on. See, this is how you need to execute the orders. So don't sell the options first and buy, always buy and sell. This is the second thing wanted to notice. And third is, when you are exiting the position, don't exit the buy calls first, like buy options first, and exit the sell. First you need to exit the sell positions, and then you need to exit the positions where you gone long. Okay, that is how you need to. So this is how the orders of execution should be, or else you will be facing some margin penalties if you don't have enough margin in your account. So this is all about the strategy and how you can reduce it. So make sure you have the risk management, because for example, if I'm going to do it as a two lots, for example my strategy has like a maximum loss of 3k, so it would be increased to 6k when you are doing it for two lots. And if you compare that loss percentage to the capital what you have, it is increasing it more. So always make sure you have a proper risk management, so that you will not ended up with wiping out your capital. So that's all about how you can just use the hedging position to reduce your margin to make a trades. Thank you everyone watching this video. If you feel like it is useful, just subscribe and also share with your friends. Thank you everyone watching this video. Do subscribe and click on bell icon. See you next video. Thank you.